welcome to day 5 of 12 Days of Rosery. In today's video, I'm excited to be sharing some festive cocktail ideas. I love a good cocktail around this time of the year, and I'll be sharing 2 recipes in this video. One's a more fruity, sweet cocktail, and the other one is more of a creamy cocktail. So let's jump in and let me show you some of the cocktails I'm drinking this festive season. Let's start with this fruity and delicious FROSÉ cocktail. Here in Australia, Christmas is during summer, and so what could be more perfect than some frozen rosé? Start by pouring your choice of rosé into a loaf tin and place into a freezer overnight. Next, quarter 1 cup or 8 to 10 strawberries. We are basically going to make some strawberry syrup to add to the rosé to make it extra fruity and delicious. Place half a cup of sugar and water into a saucepan and bring it to a boil, stirring constantly until the sugar dissolves. Once dissolved, place in the cut strawberries and stir until they are soft and the sugar syrup has turned a beautiful strawberry red colour. Pour the syrup into a blender and add the frozen rosé. It won't be completely frozen due to the alcohol content. Blend together until the strawberries are pureed. You can drink the mixture as it is, but it will be pretty sweet, so I recommend placing it back into the freezer for half an hour and then blending it again before serving. Is this not the cutest drink you've ever seen? A really fun twist on the classic rosé, perfect for a hot Australian Christmas. Now for this delicious creamy cocktail that I've been calling a Starry Night, mainly because I bought this adorable star ice tray and because Matt and I have been having one nearly every night. I'm sure this delicious cocktail has been done before though, so if you know the real name of it, let me know in the comments below. For this cocktail you'll need some hazelnut liqueur. For my cocktail I'm using Frangelico, some Kahlua, milk and cream, and some Nutella for garnish. I'm also going all out and using some creamless red velvet Oreos for garnish as well. First let's prepare the glasses. Spread some Nutella onto the inside of the glass and also onto the rim. Then dunk the rim into some crushed Oreos. If you can't find the red velvet Oreos, you could use some crushed candy canes instead to add a festive peppermint vibe. In a cocktail shaker, add 60 ml of Frangelico, 60 ml of Kahlua, 180 ml of milk, and 30 ml of cream. This will make 2 serves, by the way. Give it a good shake and pour over ice into your prepared glasses. This cocktail is so creamy and delicious and is the perfect Christmas Eve treat. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you give any of these cocktails a go for yourself, then I would love to know about it. So be sure to tag me at Rosery Apparel and use the hashtag 12 Days of Rosery when you share your photos on Instagram. And make sure you subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, as I'll be sharing a new video every single day up until the 12th of December. Have a lovely day and thanks for watching!